Make 135 pounds watching ads? Fast cash awaits. Imagine sitting comfortably at home, sipping your favorite drink, and earning money just by watching advertisements. It sounds like a dream, but it's becoming a reality for many. Imagine earning 135 pounds just by watching a single ad. Yes, you heard that right. Companies are willing to pay you for your time and attention. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate way to make some extra cash. In today's digital age, opportunities to earn money online are plentiful, and one such avenue is through paid advertising platforms. These platforms are designed to connect businesses with potential customers, and they need people like you to watch their ads. These platforms connect businesses with individuals like you, willing to engage with their ads in exchange for a small fee. The process is simple: sign up, watch ads, and get paid. With the potential to earn substantial amounts for minimal effort, it's no wonder that more and more people are turning to ad watching as a viable side hustle. You can do it in your spare time without any special skills or equipment. Ready to dive in and discover how you can start earning from the comfort of your own home? Join the growing community of ad watchers and start making money today. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a great way to boost your income without leaving your house. Unveiling Fast Cash, your gateway to quick earnings. This innovative platform is designed to help you make money quickly and efficiently, no matter where you are in the world. Fast Cash is a new, user-friendly website that makes earning money online a breeze. Whether you're using a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, the interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, ensuring a seamless experience for all users. It's completely free to join and accessible globally, ensuring everyone can participate. No matter your location, you can connect with opportunities to earn money. The platform supports a diverse community of users from all around the world. Signing up is simple. Visit the Fast Cash website, enter your email address and create a secure password, verify your email, and you're all set to start earning. The registration process is designed to be quick and hassle-free, so you can get started in no time. Fast Cash prides itself on its straightforward approach and almost instant payouts. Once you complete a task, you can expect to see your earnings reflected in your account almost immediately. This ensures that you can enjoy the fruits of your labor without any unnecessary delays. Once you've completed a task, you'll receive your earnings promptly, providing a gratifying sense of accomplishment and immediate financial reward. The platform is designed to make the process of earning money as satisfying and efficient as possible. With 94% of users making money within their first 10 minutes on the platform, you're sure to see results quickly. Fast Cash is committed to helping you achieve your financial goals swiftly and effectively, making it the perfect solution for anyone looking to boost their income in a short amount of time. Explore diverse tasks, unlock your earning potential. With Fast Cash, you have the freedom to choose from a wide array of activities that can help you earn extra income. Whether you're looking to make a little extra money on the side or seeking a more substantial income stream, Fast Cash has something for everyone. Fast Cash offers a variety of tasks to suit your preferences and maximize your earning potential. From simple, quick tasks to more involved projects, you can find opportunities that fit your schedule and interests. Beyond watching ads, you can participate in surveys, which allow you to share your opinions and insights on various products and services. These surveys are not only a great way to earn money, but also to influence the market with your feedback. Share your opinions and insights on various products and services. Test products and experience new items firsthand, providing valuable feedback that companies rely on to improve their offerings. Experience new products firsthand and provide valuable feedback. Complete micro-tasks that are quick and simple, such as data entry or image tagging, which can be done in just a few minutes. Engage in quick, simple tasks like data entry or image tagging. These tasks are perfect for those moments when you have a little bit of free time and want to make the most of it. This diverse range of opportunities ensures there's something for everyone, no matter your skills or interests. You can choose tasks that align with what you enjoy doing, making the work feel less like a chore and more like a rewarding activity, allowing you to choose tasks that align with your interests and skills. This way you can enjoy what you do while earning money, making the experience both enjoyable and profitable. Whether you have a few spare minutes or a free afternoon, Fast Cash provides a flexible and engaging way to earn money on your own terms. You can work whenever it suits you, fitting tasks around your existing commitments. Fast Cash provides a flexible and engaging way to earn money on your own terms. Enjoy the freedom to work when you want, where you want, and how you want, making the most of your time and skills. The science of profit. Why companies pay for your attention. You might be wondering why companies are willing to pay for you to watch ads or complete tasks. It all boils down to valuable data and brand exposure. When you engage with an ad, you're providing the company with valuable information about your interests and preferences. This data helps them tailor their marketing campaigns more effectively, reaching the right audience with the right message. Furthermore, your participation can boost brand visibility and awareness. The more people engage with their ads and content, the wider their reach extends, potentially leading to increased sales and brand loyalty.